Hi there, this is Ben from Memberium, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a $1 trial offer using Memberium for Infusionsoft and Infusionsoft itself. Now, first things first, when it comes to these free trials and all these offers that you can do with the orders, I want to make it clear that Memberium doesn't really look at the money when it comes to access. Memberium focuses on the tags that a user has. So Memberium isn't going to see if the user has paid or if they're in a free trial period or any of those things. Memberium looks at tags. So all the free trials, upsells, offers that you do, that's going to be set up through Infusionsoft here, whereas the actual access is controlled by the tags through Memberium. So with that being said, everything that we're going to do today is actually in Infusionsoft. First thing is that you need to have your main product. And so in my case, I'm going to be using this gold product down here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that for you just so I can show you. It is a subscription, and I'm going to be just showing you how to sell the $3 a month one, but we want to have a $1 7-day trial. So in order to do that, we're going to come back over here to products, and we're going to hit view products. And I've set up a new product here called $1 trial. So if you click that, you'll see that it's $1 right here. And what we're going to want to do is set that product price to $1. You guessed it. So we'll go ahead and press save now. And what we have to do is come over to order forms. So e-commerce setup, and then order forms is right here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll create a new order form, and we're going to name this $1 gold trial offer. You can name this order form whatever you'd like. I'm just naming that so I know exactly what it is. Now here in the product section, we're going to find our $1 trial because that's all we're going to charge on this order form. I'll explain here momentarily how this all works. So you can see it's $1, it's sold as that, and we're going to prevent people from changing the quantity just like so, and we're going to save that. Now, one thing I want to say here is that when it comes to the actual name and the label that you're putting here, make sure you make it descriptive enough that people understand they're going to be automatically charged for the full price here. So here, for example, you could say like $1 gold trial, 7 days, renews at, $3 per month. That's just an example. You could have, you could try different things and optimize that for whatever works best for you. So if you actually look at this order form here, you'll see it says $1 gold trial, 7 days, renews at $3 a month, and that's perfect. So now what would happen is a user would fill this out, they'd input their credit card, which would be saved in Infusionsoft, and they'd get charged $1. So there's one more thing that we have to set up before I can show you how this all connects, and that is an action set. So come over here to the main navigation, CRM settings right here. Over on the side, click action sets, and click add an action set. We're going to name this action set $1 trial gold upgrade. And what that essentially means is that we're going to use this action sets for these people who purchased the $1 trial. After the set amount of time, we're going to upgrade them to the main gold membership. So we'll do create an order right here, and then we're going to just press save. That way we can customize this. So we'll press edit now, and where it says subscription plan name, we're going to type in gold, and it's every month, and we're going to add that, and you can see that's the $3 right here. And we're not going to do the free trial, that's completely fine. And we're going to press save on this. So you're going to see we're adding that new subscription plan. It's going to be $3 a month, and auto charge is set to yes. So once that's set up, we can now make sense of all of this and configure it to how it works. So we're going to come to the campaign builder, and we're going to open up our campaign. In this case, I'm going to just open up like this campaign I have already for free trial. Okay, so what I want you to keep in mind here is that a user who's purchased this right here, they've given us their credit card and they've purchased this product, the $1 trial. And so what we want to do is pick that up inside of Infusionsoft, and we can do that in the campaign by using the product purchase goal. We'll connect that to the sequence here. Inside of this, we'll hit specific purchase, $1 trial. It's as simple as that. So we'll go ahead and do that. Inside of this campaign here, you'll see that we have the tag, and we're waiting 4 days. We're setting a trial reminder, and you can keep doing that. But since we want the trial to be 7 days, what we're going to do is add a delay timer for just 3 more days. So because 4 plus 7 is 3 days, so we'll say any day, anytime, just like so. And now we're going to run that action set that we just set up. So if we come here to action sets, we'll find the $1 trial gold upgrade, and we'll press save. So first off, you would have your welcome email in here too, and the passwords and all that good stuff. But this would be the membership tag. You'd have your welcome email and all this. You could have your reminder email right here saying, you're going to be charged in just 3 days' time. You could have more reminder emails. But essentially, when this action set gets hit right here and it gets run, the user is going to be upgraded to the $3 a month plan automatically, and they're going to be charged $3 right here. So that's as simple as it is. You can integrate this into your existing campaigns if you'd like, or you can set up a new campaign. There's various ways you can do it. But if you have any questions, reach out to our support team by sending us an email to support@memberium.com, and I hope you can use this $1 trial offer to make more revenue and get more members on your membership site.